So in the last video we explained this formula for the area of a triangle involving two sides of the triangle and the sine of the angle between them. So now we're going to do an example with that. So actually using that formula is quite a bit simpler than establishing it. It's quicker, it's easier, it's more straightforward. So anyway, here find the area of a triangle with little a equals 5 centimeters, little c equals 8 centimeters, and capital B equals 130 degrees. So we don't really have to, but we can go ahead and draw a picture just to illustrate what's happening. But we're really already given all the information we need. So let's go ahead and draw a picture of this triangle. Not to scale, not at all to scale, really. So this is angle B, because it's so 130 degrees. Okay, so here's angle B, 130 degrees. So that's the obtuse angle. And then here, let's maybe make this a little more to scale. Well, give it a shot. Okay, and we're told that little c is 8 centimeters and little a is 5 centimeters. So since this is capital B, then little b is the side across from that. That's just the convention that we've been going with. Little b is the side across from angle capital B. So little c is 8 centimeters, little a is 5 centimeters. Little a is smaller, so little a is going to be this guy here. You see? So here's little a, which is 5 centimeters, and that makes this angle A, and then what's left over is this is angle C, and this is side little c equals 8 centimeters. Okay. Now actually capital A, capital C, they really don't matter. All that matters, and even little b doesn't matter, all that matters is what we were already given. So now we can just use that area formula that we talked about in the previous video. So area equals 1/2 times, so remember there were 3 different formulas, but here we have little a, little c, and we have big B, so we'll use this version of the formula. Area equals 1/2 AC sine of big B. So this is 1/2 times 5 centimeters times 8 centimeters times the sine of 130 degrees. Okay, now at this point we just toss it into a calculator and see what comes out. So let's go ahead and do that. So we'll zoom in here and make sure we're in degree mode on our calculator because we're talking about angles in degrees. So turn this on, and we see that we are in degree mode, DEG, deg for degree. So we want to do 1/2 times 5 times 8 times the sine of 130 degrees. And we see that that's approximately 15.320888886. So let's just say 15.32 approximately. So we'll zoom out. Okay, so then what we have is area is approximately 15.32, but we have to be careful. We do have units. Okay, the units were centimeters. So the area is approximately 15.32 centimeters squared, or square centimeters. Okay, and that's it for this example of using this type of formula to get the area of a triangle. So we see that it's much simpler, much more straightforward than establishing the formula. It's just pretty quick to use it. If you're given all the information you have, you're just plugging numbers into a formula basically. So, or if you're given all the information you need, you're just going to take those and plug them into the formula. That's pretty much it. So that's example 1 of area of a triangle.